Melissa here, coming on today with the My Creative Time Design Team project. Let me just start out by showing you the items that I used. So I'm using Take Care of Yourself. I use Hope You're Feeling Stronger Every Day. Then I also pulled out the Band-Aid dies, and I'm using just the heart right there and the larger heart that's right there. Oh, and as well as the layering piece that goes on top of that heart. Then from the 3.75 by 4.75 card dies, I'm just using this here. That's the only one I'm using from there. And from the Pretty Scallop heart dies, I'm using this middle size heart there. And then the papers, Script Heart Solids, I'm using the red. And from the Spring Solids 2024, I'm using the black. And then from the Spring 2024, I'm using the script there. Okay, and let me show you this beautiful little card here. I did add my own color out of my stash there because I thought that went very well with what I had going on there. But love that Band-Aid, and I thought I would layer it on top of those pretty scallop hearts. I love the look of it. It just turned out so cute. There goes her card base die and the sentiment that I'm using. I did add some gems on there. Really cute, and love how that script writing looks behind it. And I did finish off the inside. Oh, I guess I did use all of those little hearts. I finished off the inside, and I also used another card, the card base layer in the inside as well, just in a different color. Same color as the Band-Aid, but love how that turned out. That was such a cute, simple card and perfect for a Get Well card. So hopefully that's a little bit of inspiration to pull out some of your dies. If you would like to use my code, which is MOE, capitalized, for 10% off your total purchase. That's all I have for you. Check out the picture at the end. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.